Hello guys, and welcome to another botany video. In today's video I am getting over an illness, so if I don't sound like me, it's not because I'm somebody else. I'm still me, I'm just sick me. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common plants in the entire world, one of the most prolific plants in the entire world, grass. Yes, grass. The plant that is so prolific that it even grows in Antarctica. One of the reasons why grass is so prolific is that it doesn't just have to spread by seed. It spreads by these things called rhizomes, which are not roots, but rather an underground stem that grows horizontally before it can spring up out of the ground elsewhere and form a new stem and new roots. By doing this, grass can cover a large area very quickly, as opposed to having to grow seeds and spread, which it still does, but it also spreads by rhizomes. Despite being one of the most prolific plants in the entire world, grass is not without its problems. With all sorts of diseases, bugs, and animals that just eat away at this stuff, grass can be very hard to keep looking healthy and nice in your yard. Another problem that grass experiences is something called thatching, of which the dead parts of the plant in the soil build up and create sort of like a protective layer that, with too much of it, can actually prevent the plant from getting the proper water and nutrients it needs. A little bit of it is good, but a lot, and your grass will have trouble getting the energy it needs to grow big. The grass that I drew specifically for today's video is Kentucky Bluegrass. It is one of the most common types of grass in the world. It is a perennial and is very hardy against winter, but it is also prone to thatching, and it has plenty of bugs and diseases that like to grab a hold of it. Its flowers, when it flowers, are grow in large panicles. And if you don't know what a panicle is, it's a shape that flowers can grow in, and I genuinely can't describe it to you, so honestly just look it up. But when the flowers form on the ends of the panicle, they are purple in color. Grass is more than just something that feels good on our feet, though. Grass is also useful for keeping the water from causing all the dirt to just run off when it rains. Grass is also good for, creating oxygen, which is something that, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but we actually need to breathe. Grass also improves air quality, and grass and all plants in general actually can decrease the temperature of an area through the process of water evaporation. So if you guys want to plant this green fellow, go ahead, slap it in your yard even though it's probably already there. Or better yet, maybe just make your yard better. Make your grass better. Make it healthier. Make your yard look nice and green. Or maybe you could put some grass in a pot and just see how it looks when it grows to its full size, because, most of us are cutting our grass before it even has a chance to flower, so maybe you want to see those nice flowers that grass grows. Grass is an important part of the world we live in, and an important plant. I would say it's probably one of the best plants in my book, and I'm sure there's someone out there whose favorite plant is in fact a grass. If we didn't have grass, everyone's yard would probably be like a rock yard or a moss yard or something. So, I'm glad God made grass. He knew what he was doing when he made this fellow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about grass, one of the most common plants in the world, and one of the plants we come into contact with every day. If you guys want to learn more about botany, go and check out my other botany videos, or do your own research about botany. As always, if you guys have any recommendations for plants you want me to talk about, go and leave a comment in the comment section. Most likely I'll probably do a video on it eventually. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.